What's going on, everybody? So we're back with another one. Just made it back from fishing and look what arrived, my receiving hitch. So we picked this one up off Amazon, and I don't even know if this is like a good name brand. I don't know. This one's called a Draw Tight. I don't know why I said tilt. Draw Tight. Good Lord. But yeah, we got this one on Amazon for, I want to say 140, 147-ish. And the reason why we went with this one is because the shipping was going to be a lot faster than the Kurt. The Kurt was cheaper, but this one was going to arrive faster, so I went with the more expensive one. So I hope this one is just as good as the Kurt. I know usually when I buy aftermarket ones, they are the Kurt brand. So we'll see. But yeah, this process is pretty straightforward as well. You got two bolts that hold the bumper on. You got to pop those out on both sides and then use the hardware that you took off on the bumper, bolt it back up, and you're good to go. Nothing too strenuous, too crazy. And I'm glad I waited for it to get kind of dusk looking outside right before dark, because it's a lot cooler. I know today it was like 90-something degrees. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna hold off on doing that. And it didn't get here until after we had already left to go fishing. So kind of worked out. But yeah, check out those door handles. I think those things look really good, and the color actually matches really, really, really well. For it to be rattle can, you can't really complain. I'm not gonna complain. It looks good to me. Truck's kind of dirty right now as well. Which the camera, that's another good thing about a white vehicle. It doesn't pick up the dirt as bad as what it would be on other colors, so it doesn't look bad. But if you get up on it, even with the black, I mean, but yeah, the white, it's filthy as well. But you can't really tell on camera because white does a good job at, I guess, camouflaging the dirt. I don't know what you'd call it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video. I'm gonna get this thing knocked down, and once I get it on, I will show you guys essentially how it, you know, comes down, goes up, all that good stuff. But yeah, stay tuned. And once I pick the video back up, the hitch should be on there if it's the right one. If it's not, this video probably won't come out, because I went with the Amazon. You put your car in and it tells you which one works, and it said this one works, so we shall see. But yeah, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, everybody, so it's been about 3 days since we got the receiving hitch. They did send us the wrong one, but we got the right one. It's put on pretty straightforward. Use the same hardware that you use for the bumper brackets itself. So there's two bolts on each side, two over here and then two over here. And I didn't have to remove the bumper at all. So essentially what I did is I loosened this side up over here, pushed the receiving hitch up, got these two started, and then loosened these up, got these two started, and zipped it back up. I know if you it weighs quite a bit, you know, receiving hitch. So if you don't have a lot of strength, you might need a jack or a helper. Pretty straightforward, but we do got us a receiving hitch. Now it's starting to look like a truck. I don't know why on God's green earth they sell trucks without receiving hitches. That's just the stupidest thing I've ever heard of. But we got ours on there, and we actually got a free receiving hitch as well. This one here was for a Nissan Frontier. I didn't even read the box when I made the beginning of the video, but on the box it says no, not that side. I think it's on this side over here. Let me see here. Let's see. So yeah, right here, Nissan Frontier. And I didn't even read it when I opened the box up. So yeah, I went to put it on there. I'm like, this isn't gonna work. And I started reading the box, and the model number and everything was just off. And I contacted them. Pretty straightforward as well through Amazon. I spoke with one lady, and she was able to get it resolved and the right one ordered, which I did order the correct one. They just sent the wrong number. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. Like I said, pretty short and sweet. But definitely a modification you definitely want to do to your truck. Like this hitch here was like 147, I want to say. It's like right at 160 after tax. But, you know, if you get in a rear end collision, you got your receiving hitch with a hitch or a ball on there, it's gonna definitely save the truck. Not much, but it'll definitely save your truck. And the person who hits it is gonna destroy their vehicle. So that's always a plus too. If somebody rear ends you, you know, take them out. But yeah, let me show you guys. So essentially it's just that bolt there and that bolt there. And you got two more on the other side. You got an impact. It's very, very straightforward, very easy to do. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. I'm still waiting on the other part that I ordered from Ford Accessories. It's been almost, well, it'll be 3 weeks next week. No, it'll be 2 weeks next week. Next Monday, it'll be 2 weeks. Still don't have any kind of word or update on when it's gonna be in. Nobody at the Ford dealership knows where it's at. Nobody knows at the Ford Accessories where it's at or what's going on. It's like chickens with their head cut off at the Ford dealerships and the Ford Accessories plant or warehouse or factory or whatever it is you got to call. I ordered it last Monday. Said processing when I ordered. It still says processing today. Money's already been taken out. My reward points have already been taken. So I don't know what's going on. The part isn't on back order from what it said. So I don't know what's going on, but that's going to be our next modification. Is going to be the illuminated front Ford emblem. Whenever it comes in, I don't know when that's going to be. So we might have to take a little beat on this one and start doing modifications to the Denali, which it's not going to hurt my feelings any because the Ranger, it looks sweet right now. I definitely want to paint match these back pieces here, and then probably the wheel well fender flares. I don't know what you'd call those. Fender flares, I guess. Definitely want to get those paint matched as well, probably. Want to see how it looks with just this paint match to begin with, and then if it looks pretty good, then we'll go ahead and paint match the rest. But yeah, that's going to do it for this one. If you guys enjoyed, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And I'm also going to leave a link in the description for the receiving hitch, just in case any of you guys want to pick it up. The brand was, I think it's still on there. You can't even see it. It's called Draw Tight. But yeah, I mean, it fit really well. Can't even see it. You can see the spare more than you can see the hitch. So it definitely looks really well. But yeah, I'll leave a link in the description for this, just in case any of you guys want to pick it up. But yeah, that's going to do it for this one. Like I said, if you guys enjoyed, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.